Morning everybody, it's Chris here from Serene Education, and it's the 7th of September 2010, and I'm just going to be going over the four majors this morning, starting with the Euro-US dollar pair. Okay, I've got our CTC strategy template up, and it's on our preferred trading platform, Metastock Pro. Okay, so I'm going to start with the daily time frame as always, and it seems as though we had a pullback yesterday after failing to break a previous high. You can see how the pair on the 6th kind of gave us this indecision candle, a bit of a doji indecision, and over Asian market period trading time it's just fallen back. Okay, so failed to close higher than the previous day, that I mentioned it needed to do. Failure to do so meant that it opened slightly higher than the previous day but closed lower, and subsequently we had this indecision candle, and during the Asian market open we had a fallback. Okay, now it's testing the 20 period moving average as we speak now, so this could come in as a potential support area. Okay, just be aware of that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a look at the intraday time frames to see if we can see any setups occurring. You can see how the pair failed to close higher than the 200 period moving average on a 4-hour time frame. It gave us a shooting star. You can see how literally a number of hours this pair failed to break higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours of data, so literally 10 hours of just headbutting itself along this very strong moving average resistance level. Indecision after that shooting candle gave us a confirmation that there was indecision as to whether they should be going higher. Another signal confirmed. So ideally, if you wanted to, you could actually be trading this and going, well, I'd like to see a break of this box. It is a box pattern in itself. I'll just make it nice and big. So anybody trading a 4-hour time frame could have looked for a break of this box, because if it's going to go any higher, you need obviously to close a lot higher than that support line. At the moment it closed lower, you might have put your entry level here just below. You might have been triggered in over here. Your stop would have been higher, yeah, and waited for it just to continue to the downside. That's one way. You guys trading on higher time frames, but as you can see, the pair is trading below all the moving averages as we speak. On our 5, 15 and 30 we have sell signals across the board. You can see at the moment now, during the first part, well, most of the Asian market, to be honest with you, it's just been trading sideways. We saw that very big breakout after a long consolidation area. I was able to trade this, mind you. I put a trade in late yesterday morning. It's only because as the pair were moving up, I had some divergence on a number of my indicators that I use, and one of my strategy templates gave me a sell just after 10 o'clock yesterday. But ideally, because of the way I trade, I wanted to see a break at least below this previous support resistance area here, and the 200 pair was coming into play. So very, very important that it broke it, and subsequently got that break just after 12 o'clock this morning GMT, and subsequently just trade all the way down. I'm still in it at the moment now. I've just moved my stops up, but as it stands now, we're still in a negative trend. Just if you're going to get into this, wait for the break at 12,780 to look for more downside movement, and take it from there, guys. I'll be back with the sterling against the US dollar next.